Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll show you how to find installed programs in Windows 10 and help you quickly view and manage all the apps installed on your computer. Step 1. Right-click on the Windows Start button, which is located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This button gives you quick access to important system options and settings in Windows 10. Step 2. Click on Settings from the menu that appears. The Settings app is where you can control system preferences, apps, updates, and many other important Windows features. Step 3. Click on Apps inside the Settings window. This section is specifically designed to manage installed applications, optional features, and default app settings. Step 4. Click on Apps and Features from the left side. This area displays a complete list of programs installed on your system along with useful details. Step 5. Scroll down to view the list of installed programs. Here, you can see all desktop apps and Microsoft Store apps currently installed on your Windows 10 computer. Step 6. Use the search box at the top of the app list to find a specific app. This is helpful when you have many programs installed and need to locate one quickly. Step 7. Use the sort by option such as name, size, or install date. Sorting helps you organize apps based on your needs, like finding large apps or recently installed ones. Step 8. Use the filter by drive option to see apps installed on a specific drive. This is useful if you have multiple drives and want to check where your programs are stored. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.